I am so excited, you guys. This is a lot of the interior for the cabinets on the left side when I walk into my closet. I think this is the lining for the drawers. I got the 4 drawers. I got, well, 5 drawers, including the smaller one that's going on the smaller cabinets. I'm super excited. So let me get all of this into the house. I'm going to use my little dolly, get it all into the house, assemble it all in the living room, and then start installing them. So see me in the next clip. But isn't this so cool? I can finally put everything in here. I finally put everything in here without, look at how many boxes this accommodates. Like, I'm done playing for delivery, that's for sure. I am now done assembling the drawers, 5 of them, and the rest of it is shelving. I got the shelving for this unit as well as the shelving for this one. The only thing I couldn't find at IKEA were the shelvings for up here because they're sold out everywhere. So unless I'm willing to drive way further, about an hour and a half, I'm gonna have to wait on that till a week or 2 from now. Because they're saying they're not gonna be restocked till June. So in the next clip, you'll see me fast forward through installing all the drawers. I'm thinking I should actually start on this end because that's gonna yield me the most, return. In case I get tired, at least this will be done and I can start putting away my laundry because I haven't yet. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have attached this to the second bolt on the middle and last, and it's to this bolt right here. Right, so the first one and the second one over there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. see right here. As you can see, I just pushed it in. It was actually pretty easy. I just couldn't find the hole initially, but it looks good. Now I just gotta do the other side. All right, well, I've installed the first one. And it's working really good. I think I did a pretty good job. It goes out all the way this way and then soft closes. I think it looks perfect. Now I'm about to do the rest of them. Okay. Okay, so next I'm about to work on this. I'm gonna attach this rod. I like attaching it before I put it up because sometimes